Abiogenesis means. The correct answer is option B. Living things originated from non-living matter. Question 2. Who believed that living things originated from non-living matter? The correct answer is option A. Greek. Question 3. Which scientist disproved the spontaneous generation theory? The correct answer is option C. Louis Pasteur disproved the spontaneous generation theory. Question 4. Scarlet fever caused by. The correct answer is option D. Streptococcus pyogenes. Question 5. Biogenesis means. The correct answer is option A. Pre-existing microbes give rise to other microbes. Question 6. Which scientists proved that a specific organism causes specific disease? The correct answer is option C. Robert Koch proved that specific organism cause specific disease. Question 7. What is pathogens? The correct answer is option A. Capable of causing specific disease is called pathogens. Question 8. When antibiotics were introduced to medicine? The correct answer is option B. After World War II. Question 9. In which year electron microscope was developed? The correct answer is 1940. Question 10. Which of the following events are included in modern microbiology? The correct answer is option D. All of above. Development of pharmaceutical products, quality control method in food and dairy production, and control of disease-causing microorganisms. These are events which are included in modern microbiology. Question 11. What is taxonomy? The correct answer is option C. Both A and B. It is a science of classification and they display unity and diversity among living things. Question 12. The five kingdom classification was given by. The correct answer is option B. Robert Whittaker. Question 30. Which of the following is the first of the five kingdoms? The correct answer is Monera. Monera is the first of the five kingdoms. Question 40. Which of the following sentences are true about bacteria? The correct answer is option D. All. Microscope is necessary to see them. They appear as rolled, spear, spiral shape, and lake nucleus, which are the characteristics of bacteria. 15. Which of the following is the filamentous branch fungi? The correct answer is option C. Molds is a filamentous branch fungi. Question 16. Fungi grow in. The correct answer is option B. Acidic environment. Question 17. Which of the following sentences are true about protozoa? The correct answer is option D. All of above. It is a eukaryotic unicellular organism, no cell wall, cause human disease like malaria, sleeping sickness, toxoplasmosis. 80. What is the importance of microorganism? The correct answer is option D. All of above. Benefits by production of food, beverages, alcohol, source of nutrients, and recycling essential elements. 19. Vaccine was first developed by. The correct answer is option B. Edward Jenner. 20. Which of the following vaccine was not developed by Louis Pasteur? The correct answer is option C. Smallpox, while rabies, anthrax, chickenpox, chicken cholera vaccine developed by Louis Pasteur. 21. Tyndallization process was developed by. The correct answer is option D. John Tyndall developed Tyndallization process. 22. Heat resistant form of bacteria is known as. The correct answer is endospore. 23. The period of golden age of microbiology is. The correct answer is option C. 1816 to 1900. 24. Who stated that diseases are caused by the growth of microbes in the body? The correct answer is option A, Louis Pasteur. 26. Germ theory of disease was developed by. The correct answer is option D, Louis Pasteur. 26. Who is the father of bacteriology and immunology? The correct answer is option A, Louis Pasteur is the father of bacteriology and immunology. 27. Antiseptic surgery was developed by. The correct answer is option B, Joseph Lister developed antiseptic surgery. 28. Pure culture method developed by. The correct answer is option C, Robert Koch. 29. Who is the father of modern chemotherapy? The correct answer is option D, Paul Ehrlich is the father of modern chemotherapy. 30. Which of the following is not a contribution of Paul Ehrlich? The correct answer is option C. The contribution of Paul Ehrlich proposed the theory of immunity, developed staining procedure for identification of tuberculosis bacteria, and magic bullet that would destroy the pathogen. Which are the contribution of Paul Ehrlich? 31. In which year first antibiotic was discovered? The correct answer is option B. In 1929, the first antibiotic was discovered. 32. Use of agar as a solidifying agent was discovered by. The correct answer is option C. Walter Hess was discovered agar as a solidifying agent. 33. For the study of yeast and molds, the culture media was developed by. The correct answer is option A. Raymond Sabouraud, who discovered the culture media for the yeast and mold. 34. Tetracycline and streptomycin antibiotic was discovered by. The correct answer is option C. Salman Waxman discovered the tetracycline and streptomycin antibiotic. 35. In which year Watson and Crick determined the structure of DNA? The correct answer is option B. In 1953. 36. Spontaneous gene mutation was developed by. The correct answer is option C. Salvador Luria and Max Delbruck. 37. Which scientist provided evidence that deoxyribonucleic acid DNA was the genetic material? The correct answer is option D. Frederick Griffith. 38. Who is the father of bacteriology and protozoology? The correct answer is option A. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek is the father of bacteriology and protozoology. 39. Which scientist supporter of spontaneous generation theory? The correct answer is option D. John Needham is a supporter of spontaneous generation theory. 40. Which of the following is not a contribution of Louis Pasteur? The correct answer is option C. He discovered highly resistant bacterial structure known as endostate. Is not a contribution of Louis Pasteur. While he disproved the spontaneous generation theory, he developed live attenuated vaccine for disease, and he invented the process of fermentation. Is the contribution of Louis Pasteur.